Oke, welcome back dengan gua Gozi Urvana. Di sini gua main Dead Space dan kita lanjut ke chapter 2 ya guys ya. Di intensive care. Oke, let's go. Kita gaskeun. Oh, ini loadingnya cepet banget guys. Dan kita udah langsung ada di map ya. Oke. Di sini adalah bagian yang sangat mengerikan guys. Karena kita masih nggak tahu nih apa yang bakal kita laluin.
It's all right, McCoy. He's here.
Aduh ya ampun, apa ini cacing apa? Ih, gor banget, ngeri gua.
I knew you would come. Just like you said. I saved this for you.
Apa ini?
Can I go?
Use kinesis to move or throw
Take
objects.
me. Just shut up.
Mati kah dia? Walah, langsung tergelepak gini badannya guys. Oke. Ini kita dikasih tutorial untuk cara menggunakan kinesis ya. Kayaknya kita bisa ngegerakin barang nih. Wait guys, ada yang harus gua pastiin dulu. Oke guys, kita lanjut ya. Kita cek store dulu guys. Ini di shop sih kita ada banyak yang bisa dibeli ya, cuma kita nggak punya kredit banyak nih. Kredit tuh uang guys. Mungkin dengan menjual si small medpack ini bisa sedikit menambah uang ya guys ya. Dan kita nggak perlu khawatir juga karena udah pasti di perjalanan itu bakal ada si medkit lagi guys. Oke, ini kita harus gerakin ini guys. Sip, satu juga cukup ya.
Pick up
Ini ada intel
to
nih.
add items to the store.
Schematic. Oke. Flame tower. Nice. Oke, let's go guys.
Isaac, are you there? We were attacked. Kendra's gone. 1 minute she was there, and I can't believe I lost her. We can still do this. Get me the captain's rig codes, and we'll find Nicole. Looks like the crew barricaded the door to the emergency wing. You have to blow through it to get to the morgue. Get some thermite from medical storage, and a shock pad from Zero-G therapy. Should be down the corridor. Communication is useless in all this static.
Well, kita udah punya objektif baru ya guys ya. Dan oke, kita gas aja guys. Kayaknya kesini deh kita. Oke. Cek ventilasi jangan lupa supaya ada musuh.
All weapons have an alternate firing mode.
Oke, unik juga ya. Ini kita bisa merubah cara tembak kita dari horizontal ke vertikal dan begitu juga sebaliknya. Sip. Ini sebenarnya bukan slow mo ya guys ya, cuma melambatkan aja, melambatkan objek. Wah, ini gila nih, ada gambaran tentang manusia yang diedit genetiknya guys. Ini apa sih? Bisa dibuka nggak? Oke. Wah, tempat lega tuh suka bikin curiga guys. Pasti ada bos. Kalau nggak ada musuh. Oke. Di mana musuhnya? Nah ini guys. Belakang ini. Oh, dari suaranya ada dua guys. Satu ya. Mana? Saya lihat dulu. Oh, itu dia. Hei, sini lah. Kampret. Udah kah? Masih guys, tapi kayaknya di bawah nih. Ya, di bawah masih ada. hancur aja, nggak hidup lagi. Masih ada. Oke, kita ada 2 musuh guys. Woi, orang gila. Ada banyak musuh guys. Kita harus relokasi dulu ya. Sip.
Quarantine lifted.
Sumpah banyak banget guys tadi. Bentar gua sambil nge-save ya. Takutnya gua mati di jalan atau gimana. Sip. Oke, let's go, kita lanjutkan ya. Sebenarnya si alien-alien ini tuh masih manusia guys. Maksudnya masih manusia tuh karena sebenarnya itu tuh cuma virus guys. Virus yang menyambungkan manusia yang sudah mati dengan manusia yang mati yang lainnya gitu. Dan asli ini ngeri banget.
What in God's name is going on down there?
I think that's precisely the point, Doctor.
Oke, ini ada video cam guys.
I'm not so sure of that. We have to assume that the colony's problems are somehow connected to the marker.
You can assume all you want to. I do not. The marker is glorious and divine. You know that.
God moves in mysterious ways.
Anyway, we'll have it on board tomorrow. You can analyze it all you want to. What are you so worried about?
Worried? Captain, people are dying down there, killing each other. Is this madness the transformation unitology teaches us?
Doctor. Terrence. There will always be risk when the stakes are high. And here, they're enormous. It could change everything.
Well, that's what worries me.
Orang-orang gila nih, para ilmuwan gila. Mereka seenaknya aja ngedit manusia kayak gini. Ini kalau dibiarin bakal jadi bencana gede guys. Aduh, gua udah nggak enak nih. Anjir, apa itu? Gua sampai. Standby, cowok nggak bisa. Aduh, sorry, gue mana bisa anjir. Apa itu anjir? Tapi kalau gue lihat ya, ini dari bayi loh. Dari bayi ini. Ini bayi manusia dan mereka masih hidup guys. Oke, kita harus standby ya. Harus persiapan nih. Anjir, kepalanya dipecahin. Kayaknya di sini guys. Gue gak bakal nego guys. Kalau mati harus mati ya. Tapi gede banget kepalanya guys, kayak bukan manusia nih. Oke, kita lanjut naik guys. Apalagi ini, ya Allah. Ngebug. Oke, ini kita balik lagi ke sini guys. Dimatiin sama bug guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sip. 7 kali tembak. Apa itu? Oh, ada satu. Di sini kan? Babi. Ada 2, coy. Gua nggak nge-expect ada di kanan itu. Ini bayi kah? Masih bayi guys. Hah? Ini apa? Kaki, tangan, apa ini? Apakah dimutil lagi? Dimutil guys. Lalu distorkan ke sini. Ini juga apa guys? Perempuan hamil kah? Oke guys, kita lanjut aja guys. Semua gue bener-bener apa?
Alright,
Ngerasa takut
that
banget
thermite
guys.
you picked up should be able to melt through the barricade.
Kita sendiri anjir.
Use the shock pad to ignite it. Hope I can hold this position. I can hear something big moving out there.
Si kapten ini bilang kalau misalkan ada sesuatu yang berbahaya guys di dekat dia. Nih musuh bakal muncul dari sini guys. Yakin. Oke, kita harus ke tempat satu lagi guys. Sip. Ayo. Ada di sini guys. Aduh, habis guys. Energi gua, stasis gua harus dicas dulu aja. Bentar gua cek store dulu ya. Flamethrower nih ada. Oke guys. Stasisnya buat apa? Buat menuhin ya, restore ya. Pulse rifle nih buat ini. Oke, lumayan senjata baru ya.
Red weapon icon. Read your weapon has no ammo in its clip.
Sip. Siapa lagi guys? Panas banget. Oke, kita lanjut guys. Kemana kita sekarang? Satu ini ya guys ya. Tampak normal. Kenapa itu guys? Hey. Bundir anjir. Wah, dia juga udah dikulitin guys. Apa ini? Pulsron. Mau dreaded anjir. Yaudah nanti aja dah kalau kita ini. Kita harus buang ammo ini berarti ya. Supaya bisa diambil itu. No, buat apa ini? Kalau ada hadiah penting sih gue buka guys. Yaudah buka aja dah. Wih, pas pulse round ya guys ya.
You found something down there, didn't you?
Yes, we found something.
So the texts were right all this time.
I wouldn't be certain of that. There was nothing divine in what I saw.
We must embrace this. We are the first witnesses.
Matthias isn't letting anyone down in the colony. It's under quarantine until we learn more.
To hell with Matthias. He of all people should know that this is greater than him, or the operation, or even the company. This is our deliverance.
Keep your damn voice down. People are dying down there.
Only the worthless and the unbelievers. But I believe. Do you believe, Terrence? Do you?
Oke, kita masuk ke sini guys. Dia masih normal guys, kayak manusia. Apa ini? Wih, foreigner lumayan. Oke guys. Ya, nggak bisa diambil. Bentar, gua cek inventory dulu guys. Ini drop dulu guys. Terus si schematic stasisnya kita ambil. Yaudah, ini medpack nggak guna ini. Kita lanjut guys. Ke atas kah? Iya, ke atas, ke atas. Let's go. Oh, ini kita tarik dulu guys. Kita akan nyebrang ya. Dia bilang bukan gua. Wih, bukan gua guys. Oke, let's go. Kita save lagi guys. Oke, let's go. Oke, ini kita ada oksigen juga guys.
As you know, Ishimura is able to set his gravity locally. Your grav boots will kick in when you enter a zero-G area.
Oke. Wah, ini zona gravitasi bebas guys.
Your ammo counter will flash red if you can't jump to a surface.
Lah, ini masuk kemana ya? Sini kali. Masuklah. Oke, open.
Exiting zero gravity.
Oke guys, sambil kita looting ya, apa yang bisa kita ambil.
Great. You got a shock pad. Combine that with the thermite at the barricade to destroy it.
Entering zero gravity.
Shit. I can hear them coming. Moving through the vents. Stay safe, Isaac.
Bukalah.
Exiting zero gravity.
Oke guys, let's go. Nah, di sini pasti ada guys. Game tuh pasti begitu anjing. Satu lagi guys. Gak mungkin kasih satu anjing. Oh nggak ada, itu satu deh. Oke, di sini ternyata satu lagi ya. Kakinya, tangannya guys. Sip. Ini simpen buat nanti. Kita pakai pistol lagi. Oke, udah beres guys. Tinggal balik ke kapal nih. Nah ini dia nih. Serem guys mukanya guys. Sorry, gua udah turun. Sekampen ini gak hidup lagi nih. Garansi. Enggak ada. Mati itu. Gua upgrade dulu guys. Sorry. Tadi dapat power note 1 ya. Gue sih fokus ini pistol aja ya. Ini pistol bukan nih. Jadi pistol guys. Sip. Upgrade kapasitas lumayan biar bisa nyimpan ammo lebih banyak. Udah nggak ada di sini. Gila. Ngabisin darah banget. Gak kelihatan anjir, kecil tadi. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Oke, kita udah dapat shock pad dan ignite guys buat ledakin ini guys. Kita pasang. Dan ya, tiba-tiba meledak guys. Oke, kita save dulu guys. Takutnya ada apa-apa ya.
Okay, you're through. Should be clear from there to the morgue. Remember, the codes are on the captain's body.
Jalan.
This is Senior Medical Officer Nicole Brennan transmitting ship-wide. We need more help. We don't have the resources to deal with this many cases. Nobody would tell us what's happening. These wounds.
Kita ingin minta tolong guys. Kita benar-benar nggak punya sumber daya buat ngelawan mereka guys.
Get him to the table. Hold him. Nurse, you hold him down. Every quarter.
Ngerinya kemana?
That was Nicole, right? I can't tell from here when that log was made. I'm sure she's around here somewhere.
Kalau mereka mau deketin gua, mereka harus lihat gua dulu guys. Dan begitu pun kalau misalkan mereka pengen bunuh gua, mereka harus tunjukin diri duluan guys. Kalau gua bertarung di sini, gua mati sih. Susah lawannya ini. Kecuali kalau misalkan dibawa ke ruang sempit, gua nembak juga lebih nggak terlalu banyak ini guys, kesana sini. Oke, kita masuk sini guys, kita cek barang juga ya. Oke, lumayan. Ammo lagi, duit. Kita pasar ke sini guys, cuma belum kebuka. Oke, ini dia guys. Kemana ini? Ntar gua cari pulsa dulu ya. Buat di mana nih? Ini unlock kebuka nih. Ini tuh tempat balik gua guys. Sorry. Oh, itu dia. Gua nemu. Nah, kita masukin ini guys. Sip, let's go. Ada. Oke, dia mancing gua ke sana guys. Enggak dia balik sini. 7 tembak. Wih. Cewek yang ini. Itu mati. Gerah banget guys.
Hello? Can anybody hear me? My name is Eileen Fix. I just woke up in here and everybody was gone. I don't know what's happening. Why did they all leave? I'm going to try and find someone. If you can hear this, please come for me. I can hear scratching in the wall. Hello?
Anjir, gila ini orang nih.
Who's there? Are you a doctor? Why is everyone... Wait, I know you. You're Harris, the prisoner from the colony. You killed that nurse. Help! Somebody help me! Please!
Ini bukan cuma alien guys, manusia juga ada ikut campur di sini. Cuma pertanyaannya siapa aja? Oke, gue udah punya feeling buruk dan bentar, gue cek dulu guys. Anjir, panas banget guys. Gerah banget. Bentar, ini Bandung berapa derajat sih? Udah 24 derajat guys. Itu panas banget. Serius.
Science Log Chief Science Officer Dr. Kine reporting. The colony's problems concern me greatly. I have no doubt they are somehow linked to the discovery of the marker, but the exact nature of that connection is still unknown. Almost 40% of the colonists are experiencing a form of dementia. The obvious symptoms are acute depression, insomnia, and hallucination. Incidents of violence and even murder also indicate extreme paranoia. Dr. Mercer has advised that I bring some of the affected on board for study. Dr. Wellen, the planet-side psychiatrist, has reported that his own analysis has been fruitless. I'm hesitant to rely on Dr. Mercer at this point, but I need his expertise. We need solutions, and we need them quickly.
Oke, area gede, gua udah punya feeling jelek. Di bawah spike ini. Nah ini, masih baru nih. Oke, bring it on. Wih, evolusi guys. Gerak. Udah lu mati.
Codes received, and they look good. Thank God. I'll start accessing the captain's records right
ini
now.
Ini body captainnya tadi di sini guys,
dan
dia punya akses buat data station ini.
What the hell happened to this ship?
Ini juga nggak tahu ini bahasa apa anjir. Mereka nulis yang aneh-aneh. Hina sih kalau dikasih musuh di sini. Gue udah lawan bosnya anjing. Kita balik lagi guys. Gue punya stasis coy. Udah mati tuh. Gol masih ke badannya.
Isaac, Somehow one of them found a way down to the captain's nest. I managed to contain it in a damaged escape pod. Lifting executive lockdown now. I found the deck logs. Whatever is happening around here, it came from the planet when they cracked it open. It spread to the colony and reached the ship. Isaac, this isn't an infection. It's some form of alien life. Shit, we've got bigger problems. The ship's engines are offline and our orbit is decaying. Get over to the engineering deck ASAP while I stay here and figure out what the problem is.
Oke guys, katanya kita naik kapal lagi di sini dan mungkin chapter 2 berakhir di sini ya guys ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke chapter 3. Dan untuk chapter 3, see you on the next video guys. Bentar gue set dulu ya. Oke guys, see you on the next video.